You guys see this? This is Stitch. Not this guy, but this. So a couple weeks ago, Google released Stitch, a free AI tool that, what it says, transform ideas into UI designs for mobile and web applications. Meaning if you're a web developer and you don't want to deal with Figma designs and all of that, then apparently this tool is for you. But the question is this actually good? Well, I've been playing with it for quite some time, and here's the first prompt that I gave it. So I said, generate a landing page for, featuring online courses, because I make online courses, right? And the topic is about programming and tech. And I have selected web instead of mobile. And I specifically said this should be in the dark mode. Now, it took a bit of time, a minute or two, I would say. And honestly, I wasn't so impressed. I was kind of hoping it would inspire me to, redesign WeeklyHow's landing page, which is, let's be real, could use some work. But I would rather use my current landing page than the design that it gave me. I even tried to, specifically use a modern design and mention Shed CN, but the result didn't really reflect that. I tried a second prompt. This time I asked for a landing page inspired by Amazon. And that one actually pretty solid. It looks okay. It looks like what a small business would actually use for their online store. And what really impressed me the most, though, is that you can generate an actual code from the design, and it uses Tailwind CSS. So for me, converting that into a component or, Shopify theme sections would be super easy. Now, if you're a Shopify developer like me, or you've been following this channel specifically, you already know Shopify is starting, to roll out AI in the theme editor. We've seen a glimpse of an AI block generator, which is, I talked about it in the previous video. So I wouldn't be surprised if they eventually let merchants generate an entire sections using AI. So in that case, this tool might not even be that useful for you. But anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. Now, the last prompts I made were in the standard mode, which is using Gemini 2.5 Flash. I tried to use the experimental mode with the same prompts, and let me tell you, it's actually much better. I mean, it could be better. I see problems in the landing page, like the alignment of the text, they're off. And, the ratings, I don't think that's how they rate your course. I mean, I get it. They're developers, and they want to flex their array map. But here's the funny part though. I did the Amazon style landing page and it gave me, guess what? Nothing. It's just a blank page. Though I tried to copy the code and turned it into an HTML file and manually opened it in the browser, and I would say the output is much better than the standard mode. I mean, I can't really say much because half of it is broken, so I can't really... I mean, to be fair, it's still in beta mode, so that's probably the reason why it's not super good yet. But as we all know, AI has been killing it this year, generating videos, building apps, web apps, and now designing UIs. And yeah, it kind of feels like one of those AI app builders, just without logic or JavaScript. Overall, it's a great tool for prototyping. It's free, so you can go all out with this tool. I mean, it's a future, so maybe someday I'll use this. For now, I won't. Anyway, if you guys enjoy this type of content, me talking about, AI or new AI tools whatsoever, let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Help me reach 20k subs. That's a small goal, but I'd love to reach that. So help a guy out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.